Everybody, my name is Victor Mendez-Cross. I'm the FAE manager at AVer USA, coming to you guys from InfoComm 2026 in Las Vegas. We're going to be talking a little bit about all of the products that we offer here at AVer. So there's a couple different business units we have. We've got our K through 12, which is primarily going to be our document cameras and charging carts, as well as our video conference. These are going to be cameras whose AI is primarily focused on meeting equity, making sure that everybody can be framed up and seen on the far end. In that line, we also have our video bars. As you can tell, we do have a couple for the smaller room, all the way up to the larger space. We do offer video bars with Android built in. They are running a Zoom room, so if you guys have that and need the ease of having an appliance running Android for you, we do offer that at AVer. When we move into our Pro AV side of the company, that's where you are going to see cameras with the very recognizable PTZ form factor. So we do offer our PTZ cameras. These are going to be basic preset recall cameras, as well as our AI auto tracking cameras. These are going to be our TR models. So these TR models, they do have 3 auto tracking modes built into them already. There's nothing additional that you need to do in order to set that up. No hidden fees, no subscription. All of the features live natively on the device itself. We also offer some camera controllers as well. Our CL01, basic Visca or RS232 control, as well as our CP10 touchscreen controller, which will work with all of our cameras. This ships with a Zoom Room application already on the device, as well as our room management software or hub management software for that ease of integration and that ease of commissioning. What we're trying to do here at AVer is really make it as simple as we possibly can on the end user, as well as on the commissioning engineer. Anytime we can save you guys on programming and commissioning, that's what we're here for. So if you guys need any more information, please check us out at averusa.com. Again, my name's Victor. I would be happy to hop on a call with you and show you guys all of these features in action. Thank you guys. See you at next InfoComm.